My name is Greg Reeves. I am the chef owner of Viale restaurant. So we're going to do a Neapolitan. You just kind of just want to push it out a little bit. So we just have our tomato sauce here, which is pretty much some canned San Marzano tomatoes. We got a little bit of onions and garlic and olive oil. And then we have some nice buffalo mozzarella. So for a classic Neapolitan, that's pretty much mostly it. It's great for the fact that you can bust out a bunch of pizzas quickly, but I don't think you'd want to sit here and cook 12 in a row because the stone will actually get a little bit too hot because it's so close to the top coil that after a while you just want to cool down 10-15 minutes before you would use it again. So if money was no object, 100% I would buy it. $800 for me is a little steep, but if I wanted to make really good pizza at home, I would definitely use this.